Hello friends, my name is Rakesh Doshi, lecturer of Raipur College of Pharmacy. आपण मागच्या लेक्चरला ओव्हरव्ह्यू केलं होतं. ओके, गुगल मीट लेक्चरला आपण या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरला पण ओव्हरव्ह्यू करणार आहोत. सबस्टिट्यूएंट इफेक्ट इन सबस्टिट्यूटेड एरोमॅटिक बेन्झीन. सम पॉइंट्स दिलेले आहेत. फर्स्ट पॉइंट आहे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सबस्टिट्यूएंट, सेकंड वन इफेक्ट ऑफ सबस्टिट्यूएंट, थर्ड वन डायरेक्टिव इफेक्ट, फोर्थ वन इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन ऑफ मोनोसब्स्टिट्यूट बेन्झीन, fifth one effect of substituent on orientation and reaction rate of monosubstituted benzene. Okay, first point, activating group and deactivating group. In this case, activating group, substituent that activate the ring making it more reactive than benzene. Okay, in deactivating group, substituent that deactivate ring making it less reactive than benzene. Okay, some examples are shown. Activating electron donating group, in case some strongly activating, some moderately activating, some weakly activating. Okay, this substituent group was joined at ortho or para position. Okay, classification of electron withdrawing group. Okay, in first point, weakly electron withdrawing group. Okay, this one weakly withdrawing group. Second one, moderately electron withdrawing group, and third one, strong electron withdrawing group. This was example are classification of electron withdrawing group. Okay, in this case, some electron donating group, electron withdrawing group. Okay, electron donating group was activating and electron withdrawing group was deactivating. Okay, electron donating group substituent group was act on ortho or para position. Okay, electron withdrawing group was act on meta position. Okay, effect of substituent in benzene. Okay, some orientation occur. Electron donating group at ortho or para position, electron withdrawing group at meta position. Okay, reaction rate, electron donating group activate the benzene ring. Okay, electron rate in electron withdrawing group deactivating the benzene ring. Okay, orientation, some orientation was found. Okay, after the completion of reaction. First one, ortho position, two substituent occupy position next to each other. Okay, in this case A and B was next to each other. Okay, also called as ortho substitution. Okay, then para substitution, substituent occupy position 1 and 4. Okay, A, B 1 and 4. Okay, this is also called as para substitution. And the third one, meta substitution, substituent occupy position 1 and 3rd position. Okay, this is called meta substitution. Three orientation was found. Ortho para activator. Okay, these are example reactions of the ortho and para activator. Okay, electron donating group with a lone pair of on the atom adjacent to the p system activate the aromatic ring by increasing the electron density on the ring through the resonance donating effect. Okay, in this case means more electron density that for substitution reaction occur at ortho and para position. Okay, the resonance only allows electron density to be positioned at the ortho and para position. Hence the sites are more nucleophilic and the system tends to react with electrophiles at this ortho and para position. Okay, त्याला मोस्टली इम्पॉर्टंट आहे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेन्सिटी. ओके, सगळ्यात जास्त डेन्सिटी ऑर्थो अँड पॅरा पोझिशनला असते, त्याच्यामुळे आपलं म्हणजे सबस्टिट्यूशन आहे ऑर्थो अँड पॅरा पोझिशनला मोस्टली होते. Description of ortho and para director. When electron donating group is attached to benzene ring, so electron density adds to benzene ring at ortho position. Then negative charge is shifted to para position due to resonance stabilization effect. Then electron charge again shifted to ortho position. Okay, hence negative charge are produced at ortho and para position. Benzene is become more reactive, so electrons are easily attracted to negative position. Hence electrophilic substitution reaction carried out at ortho and para position. Okay. Some reaction example of ortho and para directive effect. Okay. This example was phenol, formation of product 2 nitrophenol and 4 nitrophenol. In these cases of ortho position and this one para position. Okay. Mechanism of ortho and para directive effect. Reactions of phenol. Okay. Phenols react with nitric acid in the presence of SO4, formation of 2 nitrophenol and 4 nitrophenol. This one para position, this one ortho position, this one para position. Okay. Mechanism. Step 1, formation of electrophile. In first case, form electrophile. Okay. Then step 2, formation of rhenium ion. This one rhenium ion was formed. Then third step, loss of proton to produce stable compound. Okay. Lastly, formation of our product 2 nitrophenol and 4 nitrophenol. Okay. Explanation of meta-directors. Okay. Meta-directors slow the reaction by raising the energy of the carbocation intermediate because they have a positively charged atom attached to the ring. Two positively charged atoms so close together is a very high in energy. Okay. Some description of meta-directive effect. Okay. Meta-director. When electron withdrawing group is attached to the benzene ring, so electron density withdraw from benzene ring to form positive charge at earth position. Okay. Positive charge is shifted to para position due to resonance stabilization effect. Next, positive again shifted to earth position. Okay. Hence positive charge are produced ortho and para position. Benzene become less reactive, so electrophile is not attracted due to same charge repulsion. Okay. Electrophilic substitution reaction not carried out at ortho and para position. So negative charge arises at meta and electrophile attracted to meta position proceed electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. Example of a meta-directive effect, meta-director. Okay. This one benzoic acid. Okay. React with nitric acid in the presence of SO4, formation of 3-nitrobenzoic acid at meta position. Okay. Nitro group attached meta position. Mechanism of meta-directive effect. In step 1, formation of electrophile. Then second step, formation of rhenium ion. Okay. This one rhenium ion. And the third step, deprotonation. Okay. For the stable benzene ring was found. Okay. Nitrobenzoic acid. Some meta-director. Okay. This decreases, deactivator increases. Okay. Some example are shown. Electrophilic substitution of monosubstituted benzene. Okay. Some reactions example ortho and para substitution. Okay. In this case, fluorine substituent group was attached at ortho position and para position. Okay. Some other examples also shown ortho and para position. Okay. Was in different conditions, LCl3Fe. Okay. These are those mostly found ortho and para position. Meta substitution. Some example of meta-directors. The acyl group in benzaldehyde. Okay. Okay. Nitro group was attached to meta position. The nitro group in nitrobenzene. Okay. In meta position. Acyl, cyanide, SO3H, CF3 and nitro are meta-directors and deactivate the ring towards electrophilic aromatic substitution. Effect of substitution on orientation of benzene. Okay. Electron donating group attached to benzene. It adds electron density to benzene to create negative charge at ortho position. Due resonance stabilization, it will shift it to para and again ortho position. Hence, it acquires ortho para orientation. Okay. This one ortho and para orientation was found. Electron withdrawing group attached to the benzene. It withdraw electron density from benzene to create positive charge. Okay, formation of positive charge. Due resonance stabilization, positive charge will shifted to para and again ortho. Okay, shifted to para and again ortho position. Hence electrophile directly attracted to meta site. Hence it will create meta orientation. Okay. Example in phenol. Electron donating group increases reactivity of benzene due to negative charge are produced at ortho. Okay, ortho position and para position. So electrophile are easily attracted because opposite charge attraction. Hence electrophilic reaction occur first ortho and para position. Okay. In this case, benzoic acid example. Okay, electron withdrawing group decreases reactivity of benzene due to positive charge are produced ortho and para position. So electrophiles are easily not attracted because same charge repulsion. Hence electrophilic reaction does not occur fast at ortho and para position. Hence it direct to meta site. Okay, it required ionizing agent to faster reaction. Okay, this nitro group attached to meta site. Reactions of monosubstitute benzene. Reactions in this case phenol reacted with nitric acid in presence of H2SO4, formation of 2-nitrophenol and 4-nitrophenol. Okay, this one para ortho position, this one para position. Okay. Mechanism, first of all form electrophile. Okay, form electrophile. In the second step, formation of rhenium ion. Okay, this one rhenium ion. Then lastly, loss of proton to produce stable compound. Okay, formation of 2-nitrophenol and 4-nitrophenol. Some reactions. Okay, at meta position. Okay, meta position occur nitro group. In this case, step 1 formation of electrophile, then formation of rhenium ion, and the last step deprotonation was formed. Okay. Some method of preparation of benzene. Large scale preparation, mostly from petroleum. In this use hexane, heptane. Okay. Some small scale of preparation by passing acetylene through red hot tube at 500 degrees Celsius, formation of benzene. By heating phenol with zinc dust. Okay. Then a synthesis of benzene from sodium benzoate. Okay. Some reaction was occurred. Synthesis of benzene from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. Then from benzene diazonium fluoride, and the synthesis of benzene from halobenzene with the help of Grignard reagent. Okay, these are all the method of preparation of benzene. Then uses of benzene. Benzene is an important industrial solvent and precursor in the production of drugs, plastic, synthetic rubber and dyes. Okay, mostly using solvent and precursor. It is a natural constituent of crude oil, and it may be synthesized from other compounds present in petroleum. Benzene is widely used in the US and it ranks in the top 20 chemicals for production volume. Okay, some industries also use benzene to make other chemicals which are used to make plastic, resins and nylon and synthetic fiber. Benzene is also used to make some types of rubber, lubricant, dyes, detergent, drugs and pesticides. In mostly industry, benzene are using. Okay, natural sources of benzene include volcanoes and forest fire. Benzene is also natural part of crude oil, gasoline and cigarette smoke also found. In this syllabus, some examples are seen. DDT. DDT means dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. Okay, DDT is this one DDT structure. DDT is a synthetic chemical compound once used widely in the US and throughout the world as a pesticide. Okay, mostly by using pesticide. A chemical substance used to kill weeds, insects, rodents and other pests. Okay, it is probably best known for its dual nature, although remarkably effective in destroying certain living things that are